there are a lot of opportunities for them. The industrialization phase is always crucial for companies because they're switching from low production volumes to really, but they still haven't the volume and the processes to be able to do this large scale and economies.
So you think that there is a big evolution in terms of capacity of production in Europe? This is what is coming. We need to increase the production capacity. It's not going to be fragmented, but you think that the company will need to increase their production capacity?
Exactly, progressively, especially small companies and innovative companies that have to bridge this gap and where they need a lot of funding, which is always this kind of weird chicken and egg dynamic where they need to be able to showcase client commitments, but to be able to fund the factory. But at the same time, they need to show the factory to the clients to get commitments. So there's this whole starting the mechanism that is very important for them and where they need support. Because beyond that, they have a lot of opportunities in Europe based on several characteristics. First one being that producing in Europe allows you for greater flexibility, which is very interesting, especially when considering some very high value products and processes as we're doing, because it allows us to be much more competitive than other Asian counterparts, for instance, because in this really high value products, the labor is only a small fraction of the cost. So being able to actually have this flexibility to adapt to changing needs and evolutions is a huge advantage.